Okay, so welcome to Southern Cross Go. Now today we're just going to cruise around Legian and Kuta and just see how busy it is, see what it's like in mid-April of 2024, see how many tourists are around, see how many shops are open, and just check it out. So let's go. Okay, so we're starting here at the Five Ways. It's a five-way intersection right on the corner of Dewi Sri, Narkula and Sunset Road. So we've got Burger King over there and McDonald's straight over here on the corner. And we're going to cruise down Jalan Dewi Sri and just check out. Dewi Sri is known as Food Street, so we'll check it out. It's just all restaurants and warungs all the way along it. Okay, so we've got Starbucks and McDonald's here right at the beginning of Jalan Dewi Sri, starting at Sunset Road. We'll just cruise along slowly. Spa here is like a big massage place and karaoke place. Along here, Jalan Dewi Sri, it's just all food, it's all warungs, and overnight it really gets busy here. It's sort of known as Food Street. So we'll cruise along Dewi Sri and then into town and up along Legian Street. Street is Jalan Melasti. There's the booze bus, party bus goes around. It's got tapped beer, and you get on the bus and it just cruises round and round town, and all alcohol is supplied. It's like a party bus. Okay, so this is the beginning of more or less where all the bars and restaurants are on Legian Street. It's about lunchtime, 12 o'clock, so there should be a few people around looking for food. Mama's parking, look. This guy always comes blocking us. So this is the new Vietnamese restaurant and the famous Mama's restaurant, the German restaurant in there. It's pretty busy. It's really good food. Right. It's the BMC money exchange. The Pad Bar and Grill, it's always full of Australians. It's really good food. This is the Legian Club. It's a big nightclub, fairly new one. Sort of fairly quiet this time of year. It's still the wet season. In about a month's time the winds will change, it'll be the dry season and we'll get really busy. It's the W Sports Bar. Just coming up on the Bali bomb memorial. Happened back in 2001, I think it was. So we'll check that out. Right, this is the Bali bomb memorial. Made the big memorial for everyone and all the names of the people that died in the bomb blast. Right, so this is where all the clubs start, more or less here. You've got the Avera Club, the Sky Gardens just here, the engine room. So we've got the famous Sky Garden here. The J4 Hotel. Paddy's Bar and the Bounty Cruise Ship Bar. Busy traffic along here because it's one way. From here up to BMO Corner it's mainly just souvenir shops, clothes shops, souvenir shops. A lot of tattooists, a lot of massage parlours. Just coming up to the famous BMO Corner. We go right here, we go down to the beach on Jalan Pantai. Okay, so we're at the beginning of Jalan Pantai. Maybe it's This is Kuta Square in here. Got Kentucky Fried on the corner. McDonald's just up in there. This is Jamie Oliver Kitchen. Jamie Oliver's restaurant. This is Kuta Beach here. We'll just stop in and have a quick look at Kuta Beach. Okay, so we'll keep going up here. Now across the road here is the Hard Rock Cafe. It's got a great big Olympic sized swimming pool in there. You can pay to go and swim. This is it here, the Hard Rock Cafe.
No more ice enough.
The Hard Rock Cafe Hotel in there where you can book rooms. It's the Mercure Hotel. Along the beachfront here, there's a lot of big hotels. The 7 bar and restaurant, you can go up on the roof, there's rooms, there's a swimming pool. And just here is Poppies 1. Poppies 1 comes out there. As you can see, there's a lot of motorbikes here at the parking along the beach, a lot of people at the beach. And this is the Beach Walk Mall. What's the name of the hotel in here?
Kuta Legian
There's a lot of big designer shops and stuff like that in here. All the proper designer shops, Starbucks coffee, Burger King, McDonald's, and all the designer labels. It's the Beach Walk Mall. There's a big food court on top where you can go and eat. See the traffic here. This is typical traffic around Kuta. It's all sort of one-way streets, so there's always traffic jams, so it's a lot easier to get around on motorbikes and cars. As you can see, it's just traffic jam. Go around it through the car park. Beach. This is the skate park here. There's a big skate park. All these little restaurants along the beach are full. Some huge hotels here. This one's the Stones, and then you got the Pullman up here. That's the end of Jalan Pantai, and then it turns here onto Jalan Melasti. So this is Jalan Melasti here. Right, so these are the art markets they're called. The smallest on Jalan Melasti. There's little markets selling clothes and souvenirs and stuff. It used to be a lot bigger, but they pulled it down and built in resorts. Here's the new goat. The new goat. So there's about 3 goat restaurants. They're very good restaurants. This used to be all art market, but you see they're building a big block of shops here. Melasti Street gets very busy along here. There's a lot of little shops. There's more markets, clothes markets, souvenir shops. So thanks for watching the video, and I will see you on the next one.